Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining measured ingredients so ratios are consistent. That's how you control texture. Place beeswax, carrier oil, and butter into a heat-proof bowl over simmering water and stir as the solids melt. Once the mixture is liquid, make sure to remove from heat briefly to prevent overheating. You will add delicate additives shortly. While it's still warm, prepare containers and a thermometer. This keeps you moving and prevents the balm from setting prematurely. Once the base is fully melted, keep the temperature around 65 degrees C because that preserves nutrients and avoids separation. You stir slowly and consistently to distribute heat and dissolve any solids. That's why you don't rush this step. Next, add colorants or essential oil a few drops at a time, testing scent on your wrist. Make sure to balance aroma without overpowering. If the mixture thickens while you work, briefly return to the double boiler and stir until smooth. Then act quickly. You pour the warm blend into prepared containers once it cools to about 50-55 degrees C so surfaces level cleanly. This prevents sinkholes. After pouring, allow the balm to cool undisturbed for at least 1 hour, then cap and label with date and basic ingredients. Shelf life is typically 6-12 months. If the texture becomes grainy or too firm, reheat gently, add 0.51 tsp carrier oil, stir thoroughly and refill. That corrects hardness and restores smoothness without wasting product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.